Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Watch Pro tips step by step clearly. To set up your Apple Watch, first, ensure that your Apple Watch and iPhone are close together. Turn on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the pairing process. When prompted, hold your iPhone over the animation on your Apple Watch. Align the viewfinder in the Apple Watch app with the watch face. Wait for a message that your Apple Watch is paired. Choose your preferred settings for location services, notifications, and Siri. Next, select a wrist preference for wearing the watch. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. You can now choose to restore from a previous backup or set up as a new watch. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Customize your watch faces by swiping and selecting from the available options. Add any apps you want directly through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Ensure that your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi or your iPhone for seamless updates. After setup, familiarize yourself with the control center by swiping up from the watch face. Explore the settings on your Apple Watch to adjust preferences to your liking. Make sure to charge your Apple Watch regularly to keep it powered throughout the day. Your Apple Watch is now set up and ready to use. Enjoy the features and enhancements it brings to your daily routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.